The next question word that we're going to learn is the question word kama, which means how much or how many in Hebrew. אוצר מילים, vocabulary. Let's learn some words before we get started with the exercise. חבר, חברה, חברים, חברות. A male friend is חבר, a female friend is חברה, friends, חברים, and female friends, חברות. חבר, חברה, חברים, חברות. A lot, many. הרבה, הרבה. A little bit, not much, some. קצת, קצת. A few. כמה, כמה. time. זמן, זמן. money. כסף, כסף. There is or there are? יש. יש. It means that something exists. יש. There is not or there are not. It means that something does not exist or it's simply there is not of it. N. N. In Hebrew, in order to say I have, it will literally be there is to me. So remember the la preposition, how to inflect it. So it will be yesh li. I have, there is to me. Yesh li. I don't have. So literally in Hebrew it will be there is not to me. אין לי. אין לי. You have, addressed to a man. Literally in Hebrew it's there is to you. יש לך. יש לך. You don't have. Literally in Hebrew it will be there is not to you. אין לך. אין לך. You have, addressed to a woman. Literally it will be there is to you. יש לך. יש לך. You don't have. Literally it will be there is not to you. אין לך. אין לך. Excellent, guys. So I hope that you wrote all of those words and all of those expressions down in your notebook, and we're going to see each other in the next lecture. We're going to exercise with the question word kama together with the expressions we learned so far. I'll see you in the next one.